Have you ever struggled with sewing cuffs onto pants and ended up with a wonky fit? You're not alone. But today, I'll show you a super simple way to get clean, professional looking cuffs. No stress, no fuss. Plus, I've linked a free pants pattern below so you can sew along with me. First, let's cut two cuff pieces. These should be slightly narrower than the pant legs so they fit snugly. If using ribbed fabric, the stretch will naturally help shape the cuffs. If you're making curl and PJ style pants, which we are, with non-stretch fabric, cut them to match the pant width, okay? Now grab your bias tape, fold it in half, and pin it to one edge of each cuff piece. Cut the tape to match the cuff length, adding an extra 2 centimeter on each side. This gives us some room in case of stretching. Carefully align the edges before we stitch them on. Time to head over to the sewing machine. First, sew a straight stitch along the bias tape edge. Fold each cuff piece to the wrong side, aligning right sides together. And then pin them securely. For a clean finish, I'll serge the edges using a fork overlock stitch. But as I say always, a zigzag stitch works just as well. Now mark the center of each cuff with 2 pins, one at the sewing edge and one parallel to it. Now flip the cuffs so the bias tape faces you. Do the same for the pant legs. Then match up the center pins and corners on both cuffs and pins. Now, finally, with everything aligned, let's stitch the cuffs onto the pants. Go, go, go to the sewing machine. First, serge or zigzag the edges to prevent fraying. This is especially important for cotton fabrics, okay? Don't skip this. We're not cutting corners, alright? Then, sew a straight stitch close to the bias tape line that we did earlier for a neat, professional finish, which we all are looking for, aren't we? Aren't we? And just like that, you have beautifully finished cuffs. If you're making a pajama set, don't forget to grab the free bodysuit and pants pattern linked below. Click the playlist here, and with that, all that is left to say is that until next time, I see your beautiful, gorgeous face next time. Bye!